Hey guys, how's going? You are watching devtechplays YouTube channel. Hope you will have an pleasant day. Today in this video I gonna show you how to optimize Windows 10 for day-to-day uses. Let's start the video. Open Run using Windows key and R and clean temporary files. Step 2. Clean up Windows Update files. Open your Windows settings, and open Display Settings, and click on Storage Settings, and click on Temporary Files. Make a tick on all the files and click on Remove Files. It may take some time. This step removes the Windows Update package after installation, which are junk files and occupies space on C drive. Step 3. Update your Windows. Open Windows Settings and click on Update and Security and click Check for updates. Note that you must keep your Windows up to date. For gaming and business you must buy Windows 10 Pro Edition. These are the features of Home and Pro Edition. Step 4. Changing Windows visual effects. Open this PC and right-click Open the Properties and click on Advanced System Settings. In Performance option select Custom and Visual Effect column and make a tick in Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Then close all tabs. Now your PC or laptop will open any tabs faster. Step 5. Increasing virtual memory values. Again open Advanced System Settings. In Performance option select Advanced and make an uptick from automatically paging file size and select Custom and open Calculator. Type 1024 x 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 at your choice but occupies the actual size in your C drive. Type the values in initial size and maximum size and click on Set Icon. And click on OK. Then it will shows a pop-up that your PC required restart. Click OK. It will automatically restart. Bonus tips. The tips I have given makes a slight change, but you must upgrade your PC using RAM and SSD for lifetime usage. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell button. Hit the like button and share your comments if you have any queries. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.